हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते। यो लेक्चरमा तपाईहरुले वेयर र नोचको बारेमा डिटेली पढ्न र बुझ्न सक्नुहुनेछ। सो ढिला नगरी सुरु गरौँ। वेयर कन्क्रिटले बनेको मेसनरी स्ट्रक्चर हो। वेयरलाई कुनै खोला, नदी र नहरहरूको बेड लेभलमा बनाइन्छ जसको माथिल्लो पोर्सनबाट पानी बग्दछ। वेयरको निर्माणले वाटर सोर्सको अपस्ट्रीम साइडमा वाटर लेभल रेज हुन्छ र डाउनस्ट्रीमतिर पानी झर्दा वेयरको पुरै लम्बाइबाट झर्दछ। वेयर ड्याम स्ट्रक्चर जस्तै हो जुन खोलाको पुरै चौडाइमा निर्माण गरिएको हुन्छ। सानो फरक यति मात्र हो कि ड्याम स्ट्रक्चरबाट एक्सेस पानी बढी भएको पानी स्पिलवेबाट झर्दछ भने वेयरको पुरै भागबाट रेगुलरली वाटर फ्लो हुन्छ। नदी वा नहरहरूमा बग्ने पानीको फ्लो रेट और डिस्चार्ज नाप्न वेयरको प्रयोग गरिन्छ। So we can define weir as the concrete or masonry structure which is used to build across a river, stream or canal in order to raise the level of water on the upstream side and allow the excess water to flow over its entire length to the downstream side is called weir. It may also be used for measuring the rate of flow of water in river or stream. Water flowing weir मा विभिन्न पार्ट्सहरू हुन्छन्। They are head, crest, nape, ventilation, etc. अब crest को कुरा गरौँ। Crest, the bottom edge of the notch or the top of a weir over which water flows is known as crest. Crest may also be termed as sill. Okay, let's define nape. Nape. A nape is a sheet or curtain of water that flows over a weir, notch or a dam. नोच कुनै ट्याङ्की वा कुलोमा भएको ओपनिङ हो जसको तल्लो भागबाट पानी फ्लो हुन्छ। यसले पनि फ्लुइड और वाटरको रेट अफ फ्लो नाप्न काम दिन्छ भने नोच कुनै धातु वा फलामहरूले बनेको हुन्छ। So we can say that a notch is a kind of opening provided in the side of tank or streams such that the liquid surface in the tank is below the top edge of the opening. The bottom edge of the notch is generally made sharp so that it offers minimum resistance to the fluid flow. In general, notches are used for measuring the rate of flow of liquid from a tank or in stream or channel. It is generally made up of metal plate and is used to regulate flow of water at a small scale. Now let's discuss about the difference between notch and weir. Notch used to regulate discharge of small channel, whereas weir used to regulate discharge of large channels like canals and rivers. Notch are smaller in size, but weir are bigger in size. Notch are usually made of metallic plate, whereas weir are usually made of concrete. In notch, fluid flows below the notch, but in weir, fluid flows above the weir. Now, classification of notches. It has been classified as per shape of the opening and the effect of the sides on the nape. Okay, according to the shape of the opening, notches are classified as rectangular notch, triangular notch, trapezoidal notch and stepped notch. And according to effect of the sides on the nape, it has been categorized into two parts. Number A or 1, notch with end contraction, and number B, notch without end contraction. In the same way, weirs has been classified into 4 parts. 1. According to shape of the opening. 2. According to shape of the crest. 3. According to effect of sides. 4. According to discharge condition. Number 1. According to shape of opening. Rectangular weirs, triangular weirs and trapezoidal weirs are Cipollati weirs. Number 2. According to shape of the crest. thin plate or sharp-edged weir, narrow-crested weir, broad-crested weir, oggy-shaped weir. Number 3, according to effect of sides. Weir with end contraction and weir without end contraction. Number 4, according to discharge condition. Freely discharging weirs and submerged weirs.